In this video, I'll show you how to log into GW Comparion and create a project for the All-Star Sports case. So go to gwcomparion.expertchoice.com, put your email address in, the one that's in Blackboard, with a blank password, and then click Login. You can look through some of this information if you like, or just close the window. And then we'll select New Project. For the project name, put in your group number, for example 02, then your initials, and then All-Star Sports Case. Today we'll look at structuring, and next week we'll look at measure and synthesize. For structuring, we'll structure the objectives, alternatives, skip contributions, skip information documents, we'll do participants and participant roles. First, for the objectives. You can click on the help at any time, and there's quite a bit of help in here along with videos, but you probably don't even need to do that. We're just going to focus on the basics. And so first we'll do is add some objectives, and we'll just type in quality as an objective. If I tab over, you can type in description, press the enter key, efficiency, in time, commitment, and consensus. Go back up here. You can add more if you like, and click OK. Next, we'll add the alternatives to the decision. These are the choices, and they're given in the case. Click on Add, and one alternative is one large group to make a decision. Another is a top management team. And the third is to fine-tune the current process. And click OK. We'll skip contributions and information documents. Next, we'll add participants. To add participants, let's add them from existing workgroup members. And just scan down here and pick people in your team. And if each of you do this, then you can delete all but one of your models, and then you can go ahead from then on as a team. And let's make these people project managers as well. Next, we'll do participant roles. Here you want to do a little bit of role playing. Let's suppose that Janie is the top level executive and will evaluate the objectives with respect to the goal, but the other participants will not. So I'm going to hold the shift key down and select each of these, and then I'm going to say restrict. So Janie will evaluate with respect to the goal, but the others will not. And then for the alternatives, we'll do just the opposite. We'll select Janie and say Janie will not evaluate. Let's just restrict all for Janie using this button here. And let's say this person will evaluate all the objectives with respect to all the alternatives with respect to all of the objectives. But let's say Rich will evaluate with respect to quality and efficiency, but not commitment and not consensus. And let's say Alexander will evaluate not with respect to efficiency or commitment. So we have different roles. First person will evaluate none of the alternatives. Next person will evaluate all the alternatives with respect to all the objectives, and so on and so forth. This is all we'll do for today. If we go back to the home, we see our project. There's some options down here. One which you could look at is the evaluation progress. This will show us how many judgments each of the participants will have to make. And what I'm going to do is delete this project and show you another way of creating the project with objectives and alternatives using the collaborative structuring. That will be in the next video.